back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Today we are going to be looking at a particular printer from our previous video. The printer has a lot of challenges. Lesajet P1102. So today we are going to talk about how to change the camera. I know many people will be wondering, is there camera inside the Lesajet printer? Yes, it is. Because your document being printed out, there's a particular camera that snap the picture so that you have it as a hard copy. So the camera is faulty. So I'm going to teach you how to lose it, to change it, and fix another one. So let's go. Let's you take your screwdriver to remove all this clip on the back. Anything holding it, you just raise it from behind. Okay. Now this is the printer. So we are going to be taking off this complete case out so that we can have access to the camera device inside the printer. So I'm going to lose this screw, this in order to have access to the camera. So now we are done losing the screw. We just pull off this case out. So now this is the camera for Lesajet P1102. The camera of this particular printer cannot be used in another model of HP because each HP has its own camera and there are different models. For instance, you cannot use a Lesajet 1320 camera on Lesajet P1102. So their camera are different. But if it has issue where the production is very bad or it's not printing anything at all, you go straight to the camera, bring it out, get another one and replace it. So we are going to be losing the screw holding this camera. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, let's go. Done losing the camera. This is the flex connecting the camera. You pull it out, and this is the other connector. Pull it out. So this is how the camera looks like in Lesajet HP Lesajet P1102 printer. This is the scanner. I mean the camera. There's the camera. So thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. And do not forget to tap on the subscribe button. God bless you.